Learning to Share 2013 is the launch of the NDA's KM programme. It's a 3-year programme designed to disseminate, implement and programmatise knowledge management across the entire civil nuclear legacy in the UK. This event here has brought together 90 people from across the industry to learn together, to share together and to see what good practice might lie so that the NDA can spread that good practice for improving its own performance.
Knowledge management then is the use of common tools and techniques so that we can have efficiencies across the estate and lead to value for money. We all hear of projects and programmes where there's been lost information or data that can't be used, it's in the wrong format, or we have key individuals who leave or retire. So really we've got to get a process in place so that we can share the knowledge and move forward.
I think the key thing for me about this event is it's really hard for people to understand the concept of nuclear knowledge management. People tend to be a bit protective, and this is my knowledge. So I think anything that can be done to start helping with that sharing, people seeing that this is actually for the good of the UK rather than for you as an individual, that you will be recognised for that input. So there's been a lot of focus so far in the discussions on collaboration and on people, which I think is essential. As a Skills Academy, we're working very closely with the NDA and we're establishing the Nuclear Training Network, where people will be able to share their training, learning resources, teaching resources across the industry, and that will link into the NDA knowledge platform.
We've got very significant decommissioning clean-up challenges the NDA face, some of the most difficult environmental clean-up challenges in Europe. So absolutely essential is the people that will be the part of solving those problems. And people and knowledge together are the way that we will make a difference and drive change.
Well, the big change this time over the last conference we have is that the NDA have now come out and agreed a very clear policy, and it's clarified the vision for the whole estate. We now know exactly what we're trying to achieve, and it's been adopted by all the site licence companies and subsidiaries of the NDA. So we are now all pulling in the same direction.
Well, certainly the people here represent some of the top people in the industry and in knowledge management across the industry. An event like this is very useful in ensuring that we do keep abreast of what's happening in other parts of the SLC, in other parts of the industry. And it's a key way of ensuring that we can learn from what's going on elsewhere.
I think the best or the biggest benefit of the conference and what people will take away is that talking to each other is the best thing. NDA are committing to the programme, we're committing to IT to support the programme, but then it's up to the people within the estate to deliver the programme. You know, the NDA can't do all of it. We need the people to collaborate, communicate effectively to make sure that the benefits of the programme are realised.